In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Hostgator package and account. If you've decided that it's time to move on, whether you've found a better hosting deal elsewhere or maybe you've decided that you don't need a website at the moment, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that it's as straightforward and stress-free as possible. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostgator website. This is your first port of call, as it's from here that you'll manage and make any changes to your hosting arrangements. Once you're on the Hostgator homepage, look for the sign in option. Usually you'll find it in the upper right hand corner of the page. Clicking on sign in will take you to the login page where you will need to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your login details at hand. It's crucial for accessing your account and managing your services directly. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Hostgator home dashboard. This is your account's main page, providing an overview of your services, bills, and any actions you can take. Here, direct your attention to the profile section. Clicking on profile will reveal more options related to your account settings and details. Next, navigate over to the renewal center. This is typically where you'll manage all subscription related settings, including cancellations and modifications to your service plans. The renewal center provides a comprehensive look at your current subscriptions and their renewal periods. Within the renewal center, you'll find an option labeled Disable Auto Renew. Selecting this option is crucial. It ensures that when your current hosting package expires, it won't automatically renew for another term, thereby preventing you from incurring any further charges. Note that disabling auto renew doesn't immediately cancel your service, it simply stops the automatic renewal process, allowing your current subscription to lapse naturally at the end of its term. If future hosting is not part of your plans and you wish to immediately stop using Hostgator, you might also want to contact their support team for a complete cancellation. While disabling auto renew handles the billing aspect, customer support can expedite or confirm the end of service if you wish to stop before the period ends. So there you have it, a simple guide on how to cancel your Hostgator package and account. Remember, the process is fairly quick and allows you flexibility. Should you ever decide to return, Hostgator does allow reactivations, provided it's within a specific time frame after cancellation. Thank you for following along, and I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, good luck with all your web hosting endeavors.